Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to create custom shapes on Pixellab. So the first step, we have to delete this, then we go to shapes. So when you get shapes, you can see a lot of shapes here. So I'm just going to be using this shape, this circular shape. So I'm just going to lock it and ensure that it is in the middle. Then we click on shapes again, like this. Then I'm going to adjust this right over here. I'm just going to place it here like this. So I'm just going to be adjusting this to create the custom shape that we want. So I'm just going to adjust it, then move it like this. So now I'm going to click on this icon, then come up down here and click on this, and I'm going to merge the two together. So that is our first shape that we're creating. So the second shape, now we're going to go back to shapes. Then we come down here to the radius. You can just change the radius to 51, like yes, 51. Then you can just adjust the shape like I'm doing to create that custom shape. Then you can just click on here, then we move forward to ensure that the shape is in the middle. That's why I'm doing this. Then we go back to shape again and adjust the shape like this. So you're just going to adjust the shape. Then you have to make sure that this shape is properly placed where you want it to be able to create that shape that we want. So we have to make sure that the tip of this shape meets with the tip of the first shape. So that's what I'm trying to do here. So they have to meet, the two tips have to meet together so that the shape come out well. So that's what I'm doing here right now. So after this, you can just adjust the shape at this side like this. Also ensure that the shapes also meet at a point like this. So this is why I'm adjusting it here. So it has to be, they all have to meet at a point. Yes, you can see that it is properly placed like this. We're going to copy it and place it at the other side like this. So here when you get here, so you have to make sure that they also meet at the same point. So just make sure you adjust it and the tip of the two sides actually meet with that of the first like this. So you just have to check it to ensure that yes, it is properly placed. So I'm going to adjust it a little bit. You can come here, then you just merge it together like this, and here we have our custom shape. So this shape, you can use it for your footers when you're designing. You can use it for anything. So I'm just going to consider the second shape too as well. So now if you want to know how you can use the shape icon in your designs, you can check out my latest video on my YouTube channel. My next video. Bye.